In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the country on your Google account in just 5 minutes. This task might seem a bit daunting at first, but with this step-by-step guide, you'll find it's incredibly straightforward. Whether you're moving to a new country or just need to adjust your settings, I've got you covered. So, without further ado, let's dive right into it. First things first, you want to start by opening your Gmail. This is where everything begins. Simply log in as you normally would by entering your email and password. Once you're in, the next step is to find the settings. Look towards the top right corner of your Gmail interface where you'll see a small gear icon. It might be easy to overlook, so take your time to spot it. Click on this icon and you'll notice a drop-down menu appears. Now from the drop-down, select See All Settings. This step is crucial as it opens up the full settings menu. Once you're in the full settings menu, you'll notice several different tabs with various options. Focus your attention on the General tab. Here, under the General tab, you'll want to locate phone numbers. This is where you can manage various phone-related settings connected to your account. Once you've navigated to the phone numbers section, look for the option that allows you to select a default country code. This part is vital as the default country code impacts how your messages and calls are routed. You'll see a drop-down menu next to it. Click on this drop-down and you'll be presented with a list of different country codes. Now, all you have to do is scroll through this list until you find the country code that matches your new location or the one you want to set as default. Once you've found it, simply click to select it. Now, you might be wondering why you might want to make this change in the first place. Well, changing your default country code can be quite useful. It not only affects the way your phone number is formatted, but also can help in managing apps and services that are geo-specific. So, if you've recently moved or plan to stay in another country for an extended period, updating this setting can help streamline your Google experience and avoid any unwanted issues when using your phone number as verification or for app purposes. And that's it. You've just successfully changed the country on your Google account. This simple modification can make a world of difference when it comes to ensuring you're set up correctly for wherever you might be in the world. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials. See you next time.